Hello everyone. Hubby went shopping today to Ikea. Look at what he found. Look at that, you guys. They're chairs. Look at that. Wonderful. I love these chairs. Sorry the shadow, you guys, but just had to throw this up real quick to show how it looks. Isn't that exciting, you guys? And he says, "You're not getting anything else." Keeps on spoiling me. But isn't it cute, you guys? So yeah, it comes in a pack of 3. And they're made out of something. I don't know. It's a nice material. Let's see. It fits the creatable worlds real well. I want to say it's plastic, but it's a very hard plastic. They're made very well. Look at that. So they come in different designs, as you see. Let's open up this one. Got my hand here going on. So let's see. Freestyle it, y'all. I already had it opened. Look at these. Oh, yeah. So there's like 3 different types of designs. Wow, look at that. It's kind of strange. I don't know why they sell it by 3s. Why not by 2s or 4s? So I told hubby, I said, you know what? Next time you see 3, buy a pack of 2. And that way I will have 6 instead of 3 chairs. And he started laughing. But he did a good job, you guys. He did a good job. I'm not complaining. He didn't have to get it, right? But I love it. Love it. Ikea. Stay tuned for more, you guys.
Barbie car, shining bright. Barbie gonna stay up all night. Barbie time, every day. So break out the Barbies, we gon' play. Have a lot of fun, wait and see. You're never too old to play Barbie.